Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good. And yes, it has been a good day, definitely. I won't complain, won't argue. Yeah, hopefully you guys are doing good, as I said earlier. Hopefully you're taking care of yourself. And we're gonna speak about a youngster, Renaldo Cephas. As you can see, me spell all the name wrong. Be a fat right this about. Anyways, he's the player we want to speak about today, people, and what we need to speak about this player in particular. Now, Cephas is doing wonders in Europe. Cephas is one of the players that at present moment is making a huge impact in Europe. And with the Gold Cup coming up, I'm just looking at it. Do you think he deserves a chance? That's the question. Do you believe that he deserves a chance? I know many people are going to speak about the level of the league that he's at and this aspect, but remember now, he has participated in the the Conference League, Europa League, and also Champions League playoff. Fortunately, things didn't necessarily go how he wanted it to. I think he scored in the Europa League playoffs as well. But you know what, people, we're gonna get into the video. Please do smash the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Let me just give a shout out to our channel members. First of all, SAP Sports, as you can see here, our sponsors, SAP Sports. My massive respect to our sponsors. Please, people, go over there and check out their page on IG at SAPS Sports 4. Their office is open in Denby, Mapen, 130th Marion Avenue in Mapen, Clarendon. People, go and check it out as well. Let's give a shout out to our channel members. We have two patrons, Raymond Austin and Ravon Bennett. The channel members are the Original Zilla, Jermaine Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Lee Bell, Marsden Ricketts, Jamil Winter, Roro Reacts, Devon Hughes, Angelica Rivera, Ari Linkup, and D. Ellis. My respect to the channel members. You guys definitely help the channel to push forward. Now, let's get to the details, people. Let's speak about Renaldo Cephas. Let's just show guys, let's give a little bit of the profile, the player profile. As you can see there, games played so far, 30 minutes, 1921 minutes, 18 starts, and 12 sub off. Is 12 sub off? I think it should have been 12 substitute appearances. Rather coming on or coming off. Should have rather said that. But anyways, in the same sense, FC Shkupi, he is the leading goal scorer for his club, Shkupi, and he is the second overall leading goal scorer in PRVA Liga in the Macedonian league. Is it NPL? Macedonia Premier League. Yeah. Anyways, he's second rated in this Shkupi side, Shkupi FC team, and his last match out, he scored a brace. As I said, people, he's having a tremendous season. Now, there's a lot of context to this, right? There's a lot of context to this. He's in form. He's chasing down. He scored 10 goals so far this season. He scored 10 goals. That's an error. He scored 10 goals so far this season, and currently just 3 goals behind the leading goal scorer, and apparently is now interested. He's now heavily involved in getting the golden boot in the league. And this is actually first full season. His first full season, people. Just think about that. Just think about that. His first full season. His team is 5 points below the top of the table. So the leader is on 50 points and they're on 45. Exactly. His team is on 45 points and the leaders of the league are on 50 points, which means that it's possible that he could win the league with them. It's possible. It's 100% possible that he could most definitely win the league with FC Shkupi. Now, why do I bring this up? The Gold Cup is right around the corner, and albeit we're looking at players who are performing well at their club level. Now, the question may ask is that, the level that his club is at, or his league is at, is it of the highly competitive nature? I do believe people can say no. I do believe people can say no. But you can't say that the player himself is not a player who is actually in brilliant form and playing some good football. He's in brilliant form and playing some good football. Now, should it be a case in which we should wait until he gets a call to a big club before he said, oh, we can consider him? Should it be that case? Because we have been there, done that, where players are concerned, where if you're not playing for a particular club or you're not playing at a particular level, it means that you're not good enough. And we've seen it time and time again, over and over again. We just throwing players to the side and said, hey, you're playing here means that you're not good enough. And I'm not sure the ranking structure of his league in comparison to the world in a worldwide level. I'm not sure. But I do believe that he's taking a claim. He is taking a claim. And he's doing currently what is necessary for him to be called up. He's doing all that he can do to be called up. Now, the question may ask, is it enough? Or is it at the right level? Or is it at the right place? So these are the questions that can come in place now. Like, what level? Where is it? Where have you done it so far? As I mentioned, he scored in the Europa League playoffs. He played in the Champions League playoffs. I have known many players who have played for us, who is even going to play for us same way, who have never played in a Champions League playoff game, or a Europa League playoff game, or a Conference League playoff game at that. And he has done that. He has done that. So he's au fait with the levels. He is au fait with the levels. But I'm going to keep an eye on him. It's be interesting. It'll be really, really interesting to see where his future lies. But I do believe that he won't be staying at Shkupi. I can possibly bet my 2 foot on it that he's not staying at Shkupi. He's making the next move coming quite soon to a bigger league. Based off what I've heard. But we will see how that one materialize. But what I'm saying here, people, from me, I do believe that he's doing everything in his power to get that call. Now, the question I should ask you guys is, do you believe that he deserves a call? I can say I do think he deserves a call to see what he has to offer. I do think so. Just to see what he has to offer. Nevertheless, it's not down to me, but just shedding some light so you guys can see what he's doing, and you guys can see for yourself and come to your own conclusion. So I'm just shedding some light on what he's doing and how well he's performing, so you guys can have your own look and see what he has to offer. Anyways, people, please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. I am MG Sports TV, people. Bless up, massive respect, and enjoy the rest of the day. Go into the comment section, people, and please tell us what you think about Renaldo Cephas. Do you think that he deserves a call? Do you think that he needs to wait a bit longer, or more? Or in due time he will get his due pie, or share of the pie? Tell us what you think in the comment section, people. You know, people are gonna beat me always, anytime, overtime, always and every time. Bless up, people. My respect, and MG Sports TV, people. We're out.